As you can see, for the first company, that is Gladmind Solution, we have got two people here, okay, and the job title is CEO and COO. The email address. If you are a business owner or a freelancer, the biggest question we all ask is, where do we find good leads? Are you tired spending hours digging through LinkedIn to find some good leads? Imagine if you could get verified company information and decision makers' contact information by just typing out a simple sentence. Welcome to day 219 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Let's be real. Finding verified company information and decision makers' contact information can take forever. You scroll through LinkedIn, jump between tabs, Google few things, and still end up being stuck. That's why I'm excited to share with you Explee, an AI-powered tool that makes the lead gen process look way more simpler. You just type out what you're looking for, and Explee gives you verified companies, key people, and their email addresses. No filters, no complicated search tricks. Plain, simple text and fast results. So let's see how this functions. To begin, head over to explee.com and let's click on sign in. Sometimes when we are visiting for the first time, it's confusing. Where can I sign up, right? And it's generally after you go to sign in page, then you can click on create account and so on and so forth. This time they've given an option of continue with LinkedIn instead of Google. That's fine. So I'll click on continue with LinkedIn. And the reason they have done so is because this is meant for professional connection, and LinkedIn is one such platform. So I'll log in with one of the accounts. So I click on allow. So for those of you who are wondering what did I use to log in, I used a password manager which is called Hey Login. A very useful tool if you have a team, because you may want to share passwords, but because of its sensitivity, it becomes hard. Like, how do you share passwords? And Hey Login solves that problem for you. Go check it out. Coming back, so we can put whatever we are looking for, like AI, B2B, SaaS with remote teams. This was added by default. So the prompt that I'm going to add is find SaaS startups in Bangalore with 20 to 100 employees, right? You can see there are a few tags added here, that is included cities Bangalore, minimum company size is 20, maximum company size is 100, and is a SaaS startup, right? So this is just for us to ensure that we have written what we are looking for, and click on find companies. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and there you go. So we have found 4,152 companies from Bangalore with 20 to 100 employees and are in SaaS field. So you can see Bugasura, AI-powered free bug tracking tool with automated issue generation and test management for fast-moving tech teams. Cloud and on-premise options available. Likewise, we have Moonhive, then Graphy community platform, Olabi, Workik, Blend. So there are so many of them, right? As you scroll down, it will keep loading all of those, right? I believe they will give you up to 200 of them, which can be extracted without any pay plan, right? Export 8304 verified emails of decision makers. So it will show you up to 200 of these companies, okay? And then you can click on find contacts. Basically what it does is it will take you to a separate page where you can mention what is that you're looking for, right? Is it founders and C-level executives, or sales and marketing executives, engineering and IT executives, product management, HR and people ops, operations, and so on and so forth. If you have custom criteria, then you can put it over here, right? Now you will get the company name, the names of the person, the job title, and their email address. As you can see, for the first company, that is Gladmind Solution, we have got 2 people here. Okay, and the job title is CEO and COO. The email address is hidden here, but we can export it. So out of the 4,000 plus companies that we had found, we have got 5,921 leads matching the criteria that we have set, that is founders and C-level. And if you click on export email, right, in the free plan you get up to 200. If you go beyond the free plan, then you can see that they will charge. Right, we charge 1,350 credits. You will need to buy 1150 credits for $57.50. Basically, they give 200 for free, and remaining ones you'll have to buy. And their base price is $50 for 1,000 contact information. So let me go back to 200, right? And let me click on get 200 emails. So they will email the CSV to you. Okay, as we can see, they're mentioning that it will take 43 minutes. I'm not sure why they require 43 minutes, but that's what it is. But again, you don't have to wait here for this 43 minutes. It will be emailed to you once it is ready. Now you tell me, is there any simpler way to find the contact information precisely of the ones that you're looking for? With the advancement of AI, things have gotten so easy. You just type in as though you are asking a friend, and the results will be exactly what you're looking for in few seconds. One of the things with this particular tool is it just gives you leads. Now you have to use some other tool to automate to reaching out to them or to connect with them on LinkedIn and so on and so forth. But that's still not a problem, right? Finding the right lead and the right information of those leads is the biggest challenge. There are multiple tools which can help you automate reaching out to them via email or LinkedIn. So do give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. And do not forget to share about this particular tool with your friend who is into business and finding it hard to find leads. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.